top of the cave-ins, but that makes it very difficult to get through this rock right here. What we do, in fact, is use dynamite. Who knows what dynamite is? Yeah, awesome. We'll get you working that miner Jeremy in just a little bit. Let me show you your job description for working down here. Now we'd be drilling these holes, you'd be about 5 feet deep, and this right here is, we put the sticks of dynamite right in here, just like that. I'm assuming there's no dynamite already in this hole, because if there is, we will all die. Oh, no, we're good. We're good, awesome. We haven't died today. I haven't lost a group in a little while, so it seems like we're going pretty well. Awesome, so miner Jeremy would be loading up dynamite into these holes just like these. Each hole would be about 5 feet deep, chock full of dynamite. You'd fill up all of these holes. Make sure you're very careful. Now, a lot of people know about TNT from Minecraft, but in fact, dynamite is much more explosive and a little bit more dangerous than TNT. That's how we get through this very hard rock. But in fact, we have to be a lot more careful, so just a warning. So each end piece of dynamite would have something called a blasting cap in it. Now that blasting cap would have a fuse coming out of it. We tie all these fuses together in the middle right here. We take a lighter just like this one, and we light it, and then run. Awesome, sir. Maybe you can work with miner Jeremy over here.
What do you guys think? Jordan, where are you going? Get your binoculars, hurry. Oh, he's sitting down.
Hey, Jordan. What? You're on my way.
Oh, look, he's scratching his face.
He's bugs. You gonna look at him?
Here he comes.
Daddy.
Guys, we're inside. He's not gonna get us.
What are you doing?
That is cool.
Where is it? No, Daddy. Daddy, no. That's a beta. Let's be quiet.